We are on 4th floor of the Regatta apartment building. Have a look around. Absolutely beautiful day. November 18th. Like, are you kidding me? Calgary, you got some crazy weather, but you got some good weather too. So we're thankful for that. Today we are snapping out lines and plating with green plate because each floor of this building is getting 1.5 inches of gypcrete concrete. So we got to plate everything so they can pour up to it, up to the regular interiors. Yeah, snap out today and plate. Then we're gonna slam walls up tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna be giving you guys some more tips because I've been kind of slacking on the videos. I got some cool tricks and I got some stuff that's probably worth sharing, so keep coming back to the channel. We'll give you some more cool stuff and maybe you might learn something. If you want to see something, maybe I could help out. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll get her done. Something don't sound right. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Okay, so what we got today, this tip is we're lasering up through the party wall. So we got a pendulum laser down there. You can see down the light shining down there. And then we're coming up right here. You can see the laser is blowing around a bit. So right there. Maybe even a bit back. Right dead there. And I'm gonna mark my 4 inches over right here. And then I'm gonna mark this side. And what we have done essentially is, even if these party walls downstairs are out of level a little bit, we've bypassed that. We're going straight up perfectly level laser. So bam, try that one. Yep. Monday recap. Snapped, chalked, plated. Party walls. And like yay. Corridor. This is the hallway of the apartment. So you can see that's your door. You go, hey bud, come on in here. Hey, gotta go to the bathroom. Yeah, let's come on through. Toilet ought to be about right here. Shower here. You can see kind of now what the units are gonna look like. And yeah, so that's 6 units of 18. Tomorrow we'll see if we get some walls here. We might stand walls, we might snap out the next 6 depending if we get snowed on. But But you're gonna find out in the morning. Remember what it looked like yesterday? It's a big change.